Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go with this Friday. Another Amazon Prime unboxing. You guys go check them out. Link is going to be down below. See what other goodies they have to offer. And in case there's any discount codes, it'll be down in the description. And hopefully you guys had a good week so far. And we're about to see what's inside this one. And another one. Sound like kind of DJ Khaled. There we go. Oof. Those open, cut here, turtles. I just can't believe they ruined the turtles. There we go. Uh-oh. What do we have here? Get out. Ooh. I see something good. These are coming from my good friends over at Dudios. The Zeus TWS Earbuds, true wireless stereo earbuds. Comfort Fit IPX5 500 mAh. Oh, these are nice. Solid jet black. Stealth mode. No boundaries. High fidelity sound. Clear voice calling. That's always a good thing. I like these. These are nice. Like I said, you guys can get one at a low cost. All you gotta do is click the link and see what other goodies they have to offer. Just definitely gotta get your shopping done now before the rush, especially with the holidays coming up. Weddings would be great. Small bachelor gifts, housewarming gifts. Take these to the gym. Maybe give it to your training partner for helping you out at the gym. You never know, especially at the cost. So definitely check them out. This is a nice case, nice color. I like these. Dudios. Dudios. Alright, let's take off. Take it all off. Bam. Let's see what she looks like inside. That's what counts. The feel feels good. Open, says me, where are you? Oh, we got some other stuff down here too. Might as well take everything off. Almost there. Almost there. There we go. One side, one side. Bada boom. Eject those seat. Cuzzo. Where do we come out? Ooh. Oh wow. It's already charging. Or no, you gotta close it. Charge. See it lights up at the top. Oh yes, that's charge mode. That's nifty. Gotta love technology now. These are tiny. Oh, magnetic. Oh, these are nice. I'm not gonna lie. Wouldn't lie to you guys, but definitely check these guys out. Oh, they got another thing you gotta pull off. Boom. Boom. I forgot what the charge time was. I'm not sure how long it is. Well, back to the back phone. Turn that one off. And Bluetooth mode. See how easy it is. Oh, it's a push button. Alright. Gotta push. Let's turn on. They'll be flashing like so. Let's see if you guys can see. There it goes. Ah, here we go. Picked it up. Do this. Is connected. I'm going to find the unlock and trusted device. Enter your password. Don't be like Kanye, entering all zeros. Definitely not a good password to have. I think these go like this in your ear and like that. And then these are both connected now, so I'm going to plug these in. Let you know how they feel. Alright, these are nice so far. I am liking these. Take these on a bike ride. Let's see the sound. Alright. Ooh. Really good bass. Yeah, these are definitely a good sound. Clear. The bass is really good. I'm liking these. Guys, you guys could get one at a low cost. And like I said, in case I do have any discount codes, it'll be down at the bottom. So definitely check them out. It'll be the Dudios. These wireless chargers. Good stuff, you guys. Alright, YouTubers, I'll see you guys in the next video. Be safe and see ya.